Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth, and today we're going to check out what's in the July Ipsy Glam bag. You ready? If you are not familiar with the Ipsy Glam bag, it is the cheapest subscription that Ipsy has. It's going to be $14 a month plus $1.99 shipping and handling. You will get 5 items worth up to $70, and you usually get to pick one of your items. Occasionally you will get a full-size item. Most often you will have deluxe and travel size samples, and you will get a cute bag for those items. So that's kind of like your 6th item. This is the July bag. I'm excited to see what's inside of it. In our bag, we did get a card. There will always be a card. It is not always going to have information for the products that are in your bag, but mine does, so I'm excited. So our first thing I'm going to show you is actually the bag. Typically, the bags are going to be a zipper little pouch bag. This is this month's bag. This is an old refreshments bag. I actually have this same bag over there. I have the same bag I got when I ordered Black Friday sale the end of last year. Some of my stuff that I ordered came in this exact bag, so this is not a new bag. They probably have back stock they're trying to get rid of, which I don't really like because the bag is kind of part of the fun, and if you start recycling through bags, you're likely to already have it, so it's not as exciting to get that. That said, they are great bags. They're a silky material. It's a blush pink background with a pretty yellow flower. It's got a weird black and white drawstring. But that's the bag. The first item actually was not in the bag that I'm going to show you. And this is a Neen brand dual eyeshadow brush. So it's going to have brushes on either end. This is a full size, and this says it is a $25 brush. So this better be some super soft bristles. Let's open it up and see. Okay, it is super soft. To be honest, I'm not really that impressed with how the quality of that feels. It doesn't feel really high-end, which you would think a $25 single brush would feel like. The brush itself feels nice. It's got some, not really texture, but it's not slippery, so it's easy to grip. And it does have your nice, normal, just regular blush plus the blending brush on the other end. So it is useful. I will get some use out of it, but I would not say this is a $25 brush, but they do. So we're going to call it $25 since I'm not selling it, so I don't get to pick the price. But this is one of my items, full size. So this is at least one full size item we have in here. Our next item, I'm going to open the bag and see what's inside here. Our next item is from Real Chemistry. And this is a fresh start foaming cleanser, and this is all wrapped up, and I do not need a cleanser right now, so I'm not going to open that up, but I will tell you what it says about it. It says this is the full size of this would be 120 milliliters. This is 15 milliliters, so a little more than a tenth of the full size. The full size would sell for $24, so this is like a $2.40 value product. And this is just a little bit goes a long way daily cleanser. So not a bad product, not a really great value for a $2 something change product, but that is a good travel size. Every time I go traveling, I grab my little samples like this and take them with me because they're compact, they're lightweight, and I'm not going to ruin my full-size products if something happens to this on the travel. Our next item is from Keys Soul Care. So this is Alicia Keys brand. I have a product of hers in my current beauty counter that I use in my bathroom, and it is like a daily radiance. It's like if you don't want to really put on a lot of makeup, but maybe you just want to have that bit of glow, it is gorgeous. It just makes you look all shimmery and dewy all over, and if you just want to put maybe a teeny bit of cream blush in there with that and a lip gloss, you are set for your summer day. I love that stuff. So this is another really great Alicia Keys product. This is a SPF moisturizer, so a 30 SPF. The full size of this would be $32 at 30 milliliters. This is 5 milliliters, and this says just after you apply your regular skincare, you can use this, and that will get you your SPF for the day. This is teensy, I can already tell you. And considering that's going to go over your whole face, maybe a few times, but it does give you a chance to see if you like the moisturizer. Not every moisturizer works for every person, so you can check and see if this is a good one for your skin without having to buy full price. So a really good little skincare product there. Our next item is from Tarte, and this is Fake Awake. Do I have that upside down? I do. Our next item is from Tarte, and this is Fake Awake, and this is an eye highlighter. So this is very teensy, but it is a little neutral color eyeliner pencil just to brighten up your eye area. You can use it in the corners of your eyes. You can use it in your waterline just to wake up your eyes and make your eyes, if you start looking tired and dark, this can brighten you up a little bit. The full size of this would be $24. This is clearly not a full size, but good little product from Tarte. And there's a lot. I mean, there's a good bit. There's that much. There's not a good bit. There's that much usable product in here for this whole stick. And it's really thin, so it's likely gonna break the first time you try to use it, but only twist out a little at a time and you might get a few uses out of it. But that's a good little Tarte product. Our last item is a full-size product, and this is from Live Beauty, and this is going to be an eyeshadow palette. This is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette. This is the day and night eyeshadow palette. Our colors in here are all just neutral tones. They're really pretty. The center ones have the teensiest bit of mauve in them, but most of these are just going to be your neutral colors. Right now I just have on a super neutral. You can barely tell it's their color. That's what these kind of things are good for, just to give you something to give you some dimension without a lot of color. But you can use the lighter and the darker shades of this to build you out a look for the day and night. You can take the light colors during your work day, school day, whatever, and then bring in some of the darker tones to give it some dimension for the evening. Really pretty palette there. This full size is $22. So we got two full-size items for a total of $47 for those two items, plus our little samples for our $14 bag. So really great products. You get good choices from Ipsy. You do get to pick one of your products, and then Ipsy picks the rest of them for you. And I do not remember which one of these I picked, but I want to say maybe the eyeshadow palette probably is my guess. The bag is not my favorite, but the contents are really good and the value you can't argue with. So another great Ipsy month. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future content. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.